welcome back to my channel, the Miss Super channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a few of my winter outfits, a little bit of inspiration, and just how to stay warm in the winter no matter what look you're kind of going for. So without further ado, let's get started. So this outfit is super simple. This is something that I would put on to go to the grocery store, so just run out and grab something really quickly. The top is from Mrs. Republic. I love hoodies because they're just so warm and cozy and casual, but you can kind of dress them up, dress them down, depending on what you pair with them. So I paired these jeans from ASOS, these nice like latex vinyl red, cherry red pants that fit perfectly. They're super stretchy. Obviously they're making a little bit of noise. And my Axel Arigato shoes, which I absolutely love. They're just a great leather flat shoe. So if I was to go outside, I would definitely pair this with a simple long coat. This is thrifted, it's Hugo Boss, and I love this coat because even though it's pretty thin for a leather, it gets the job done. It's so warm and it just keeps you feeling like your look is pulled together. You don't feel like you're super bummy even though you have on, you know, a hoodie and some like shiny pants. So this is perfect for any time you just are doing something more casual throughout the day and you need to wear flats. So this look is like my assassin look. I love to wear leather. I think leather looks good on everyone. All black looks good on everyone. So this is a simple, easy, no-brainer look that you can throw on, and I look like I took a lot of time to put myself together when I really didn't. These boots are from Zara. They are non-leather, vegan leather, as some would say. And the dress is real leather, so it's a cow leather, I believe, and it's super soft and super comfortable, so you're not gonna feel like you're, you know, kind of like making noise as you move around, but it's a good thing to wear when you are kind of chilly. The best part about this look is that you can layer a sock underneath, layer a sheer underneath, and you can also layer kind of like a thin sweater or a nice slip underneath and be really, really warm. When you're going outside, you can throw on a super simple wool jacket and just feel like it tones down the sexy because you're wearing all leather. So you don't want to be too much. You know, putting a leather trench over this would be way too much. But just to have like a little extra texture on you and feel like it pulls things together, it's very like easy breezy, and you still have that sliver of sexiness. So you can wear this if you want to go out on a date, if you have like a more creative meeting, you can wear this really anytime, and it's super comfortable. The shoes, people always ask me about these boots and they wonder if they're comfortable. They are so comfortable that I wear them usually if I'm on set, if I'm styling, if I'm just like walking a lot. I can wear these and know that they're comfortable because the heel is so thick, and you know, even though they're really pointy, I have wide feet, so a lot of Zara boots actually fit me really well because even though they're pointed, they make sure that the toe box is cut a lot wider before it gets to that point. So pro tip if you order anything from Zara. So this is more of a casual kind of sweet look, super simple again, nice textured, a nice ribbed, kind of like a nice ribbed knit sweater in an interesting structure. I saw the sweater and I had to try it on. It's actually thrifted. It's thrifted Isaac Mizrahi, and I think it's just super nice and comfortable. It adds something to a look where it's not so labor intensive. You don't have to work so hard for it, and super nice, simple denim. I love these jeans. I think, you know, a flare is something I haven't worn since I was like in junior high school, but they feel really good. And then a simple pump. I think if you're going to lunch or dinner, or you know, you just kind of want to be casual and look nice, this is super easy to wear. And obviously option out your footwear so that you're more comfortable. But since the pants are so long, I wanted to put a heel with them and just kind of finish off the look that way. But you can change up your jeans, you can change up your denim and do like a ripped denim, or you know, even a skirt with this would be really cute. For jackets, when you go outside, I love this teddy bear coat. It's from Intuition Paris, and it just feels so good. Like, you feel so cute. You literally feel like a little bear in this. So I would highly recommend getting like a teddy coat, because when it is cold, you need something that's gonna just bust that cold right in its face. And this is just like so cute. Like, you just feel so put together and you don't have to worry about it. The hardest part about looking polished in the winter is making sure that your outerwear flows with all of the rest of your outfit. So it's really important to have like a nice coat that goes with the things that you want to wear and kind of your style. So this look is another super simple, super easy, throw it on, you're able to go anywhere, feel good, look good, all that jazz. So I took my Zara checkered kind of like legging pant. I love this little zipper. These are super thick, so they're perfect for the winter time when you know it's gonna be freezing outside. I have on my black patent leather Doc Martens and this textured knit sweater from Zara. Super comfy, super easy to put together. I think anytime you want to be comfortable, leggings are a good way to go, and then you can always pair it with like a larger knit sweater, whether it's a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. I would go a little more crop with this, and I'm not a huge fan of this V-neck, but we don't have a Zara in my town, my city, so I really had to just suck it up and make it work. So I may customize it and like distress it a little bit, or maybe crop it, but I think this is like a super easy look that I'm confident in. When you're getting dressed, you always want to feel like you are confident, that you are able to do everything that you're setting out to do that day, but that you also look good. So this is another option, just a nice knit sweater and some leggings and some boots, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is an outfit that I absolutely love, and the reason I love it is because a lot of times we don't know what to wear, we don't know what we want to wear, we can't decide, we can't make up our mind, and so sometimes I just start with the coat. And if it's not a super freezing day, I think a coat like this is perfect. When you don't know what to wear, it's easier to start with one piece. So this silk quilted coat is one of my favorites. It doesn't go with everything, which is kind of why I like it, because when I'm in the mood to wear it, I kind of automatically know what to pair with it, and it's always something that's easy to throw on. So I have my Complex Con t-shirt, my jeans from, I think these are from Collusion, and then my Zara leather boots. I love these boots. I feel like they look so much more expensive than they actually are. It's a simple look underneath a statement jacket, which is something anybody can do on the fly super quickly, and you look, again, put together, which is always the goal. It's always the goal to look streamlined and sleek and simple and chic and beautiful and feel your best, and you know, you can move around in this. It's a really nice coat. So find coats that you like, find coats that look interesting to you, find coats that you think will give some visual interest and some like fun. If you're excited to wear it, you're gonna wear it and you're gonna feel good about it every single time. Okay, so this last look, bear with me, my steamer broke. It literally decides when it wants to work and when it doesn't, so bear with me. This is the Zara dress that you guys may have seen in my last Zara haul. I love this. This is perfect to throw on for an easy breezy night out, maybe like a sexy date night. You may be just wanting to look cute with your girlfriends and, you know, grab some dinner, grab a drink. You know, we're still in a pandemic, so it's kind of hard, but yes, I love this dress and these kind of like holiday Christian LaCroix inspired sandals. And I know what you're gonna say, why would you wear sandals in the dead of winter? But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And I love a little trench for dresses like this because you want to stay at least as warm as you can. I'm not opposed to a little chill if it's gonna make me look cute. I'm not opposed to that. For the look, I will do it. So, you know, you have a nice little trench coat, and you can also maybe layer a cardigan or something underneath that you can take off at the same time. So you still have that outfit reveal, you still feel that sexy feeling, but when you're outside, you're not like, you know, like you wanna still feel nice and feel like you're not hurting yourself by being outside in the cold. So I love this little trench, and I think it just gives another look for when you're outdoors. Like I said, coats really matter in the winter, and they can make or break a look. So yeah, that is all for this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I just wanted to show you a few ideas, a few outfits that I had kind of like already in my closet. I am doing a series on my blog that's gonna be called Nothing New. And basically, I'm just gonna get dressed every single day for 30 days and take pictures, just because I have so many things that I've purchased over quarantine that I had way before, probably a year, 2, or even more years that I've never worn. So I wanna really get creative with my style, be able to wear the things that I love, and also, you know, just get up and go and do new things and have new energy flowing through my 2021. So I hope you guys love this video. I really appreciate you watching. Send me a comment down below about what you liked about this video, what your favorite look was, what you may want to see more of, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. As I said, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and tell a friend if you like this video.